Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and another video. I hope you all are keeping safe as I am. So basically what I'm doing today is, guess what? I'm gonna be unboxing with us today. And so guess what I'm gonna be unboxing? It's no other unboxing but I'm gonna be unboxing the Echo Plus 2nd generation with us and also doing the setup together. So I actually did have this 1st generation. Unfortunately, it didn't last up to 4 months in my house thanks to my kids. They somehow managed to put it dropped it in the water in the bathroom. How Alexa got to the bathroom, I still don't know. That story for another day. And I wasn't gonna buy any more Alexa in the house. I said no more Alexa, and the kids were like, mommy please, we won't do it again. Mommy please buy Alexa. Alexa wakes us up for school. Alexa helps us with some questions. Alexa does this, Alexa does that. And trust the mother instinct in me, I couldn't stay and I had to buy the 2nd generation. So but however, today we are going to be unboxing this. I couldn't wait, guys. I'm so sorry. This I couldn't wait, but I had to unbox it out of the carton because I was so anxious to see what was inside. So but I tried my best and I was patient enough not to take it out of this because I want you, my beautiful fam out there, to unbox this together with me today. So now without much ado, we're going to be unboxing this right now, and let's do it together. So first of all, we're going to rip this off. And yes, I know a lot of us know about the Echo Plus already, so let me not blab about this. A lot of people had this since 2017 and Moa is just having this now. So but it doesn't really matter. I'm still excited because this is mine and this is the first time I'm having it. So now for Echo Plus, this tech here is in fact, I love it. I actually did like the 1st generation, which is not even as improved tech as this one right now. So this one actually has the built-in smart home hub and premium sound. It has the hub mention. Okay, that's in French. It said Alexa play pop music, turn off lights, call mom, and many other things Alexa does. So I want us to go through this together. We're going to be opening this right now. Yes, let's strip this off and see what we have inside. Okay. Oh. Guys, bear with me. I want to make sure the camera is more close. So I had to bring the camera a lot closer so we can see as we unbox it together. Remember I said we're going to be unboxing together. So right now, I'm just going to take this out of this box here. And also, it comes with its own charger. What else do we have here? Yes, it also comes with its own manual. So now let's see what the next step is to do. It says getting to know your Echo Plus microphone, blah blah blah. First of all, it says plug in your Echo Plus and wait for Alexa to say hello. So we are going to do that right now, guys. Okay, we need to take this off, and this is supposed to go in here, I guess. Guys, did you see this? It comes up with a blue light. Whoa.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions. Bonjour. Votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration.
Wow.
Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
That's in French. Okay, so now we're going to download the app as instructed by Alexa. So we have to go on Play Store. Okay, so now I'm actually downloading Alexa, Amazon Alexa app. Finally, we got it installed. So now let's head up to the next step. So it says here, after you open Alexa, if you're not prompted to set up your device, tap the device icon in the lower right of the Alexa app to get started. So once we open this, now click on open. It's opening. Okay, so now it actually prompted me to sign on to my Amazon account, which I just did. And we can also browse all Alexa can do. So at the moment, I'm going to be browsing to see all Alexa can do. So Alexa says, okay, Alexa can answer it has popular skills, browsing skills, you can call, phone, customize Alexa answer. You can actually customize an answer, any answer you want Alexa to provide. You customize it on the app. Wake up with a laugh, that customize your alarm on the app. Wake up with a laugh, that customize your alarm with celebrity voice. Oh my god, to set an alarm. Now here says, after you open the Alexa app, if you are not prompted to set up your device, tap the device's icon in the lower right of the Alexa app to get started. Okay, device icon on the lower right. Lower right is this. And it says now you can call Alexa. Play my message. Hello Alexa.
Wi-Fi isn't set up. For help, go to your Alexa app. Le Wi-Fi n'est pas configuré. Pour obtenir de l'aide, rendez-vous dans votre application Alexa.
This is all getting a little bit tiring for me. So but let's see. Let me figure out where to get the Wi-Fi connected. This says press and hold the dot icon, so which is this right here. I'm gonna press this now. Let's see.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app. Désormais en mode configuration. Suivez les instructions dans votre application Alexa.
It then says select your Wi-Fi network, which is this right here, Helix. And it says connecting Echo Plus to the Wi-Fi. So we're just going to wait for this to connect. Ooh, finally Echo Plus is
Your device
now
is ready.
connected. Okay, now the device is ready and it says here continue. So I'm gonna click on continue and let's see what this got. Sir, Alexa, can you say what the
I didn't
weather?
catch that. Please say that again.
Can you tell me what the weather is for today? One thing I notice about this app or this application is you have to call the name like repeatedly. Each time you want a command or you have a command, you have to mention its name. If you don't mention its name, your question is not going to be answered. It's actually not going to respond to you. Sir, what is the weather for today?
Right now in Arlington, it's 64 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies. Today's forecast has lots of clouds, with a high of 77 degrees and a low of 64 degrees.
Alexa, what is the name of the city I'm in right now?
I don't know that.
He said he didn't know that. Alexa, where am I right now?
You're at 2290 South East Green Oaks Boulevard, Suite 120 Authentic African Saloon in Arlington, Texas.
Oh my! It actually gave me my US address. That's not where I am right now. I'm a little bit not comfortable because Alexa thinks I'm in the US. Isn't that funny? When I'm not in the US, it's actually giving me my US address because like I said, I've had Amazon, and I also had some other gadget from Amazon set up on my app. So I guess that's why it's recognizing my US address at the moment. So what I need to do is I need to contact this help and feedback section so that I know how to go about changing my address for Alexa to know that I'm not in the US anymore. So that's what I'm gonna do. So the most important thing is I'm happy you guys did this together with me. Like I said, I'm not a tech expert, but I would manage to figure out as I go. And I'm also going to show you guys the Ulight. I'm going to connect with this Alexa probably in the next video, so you see how I link my Ulight that changes color of the room. And yes, in my next video I'm going to show that to you guys. And thank you all for watching and for staying with me all through the process. I hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't bore you to death. All right, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that each time a video comes up you are notified. Thank you guys, and I want to say I love you all. Peace out for now. I think I'm done with this Alexa thing. I'm going to figure out the rest setup. The most important thing is Alexa is working at the moment. Bye for now, guys. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.